Cool. So, firstly, if you wanted to learn trading, right, it's a ocean. Okay, can I learn everything? If you really wanted to earn money, just learn what
Mm-hmm.
you wanted to do. Simple. Okay, don't learn
Mm.
everything. Like there is a saying, right? Instead of learning 100 things, learn only. I mean,
Oh.
Jackal knows 100 tricks. There is no use. So use only one trick, which will give you success. So that
Mm.
is the same procedure we should follow here. In the trading, there are 100 tricks, 100 strategies, more than 2000 stocks, more than 2000 indicators. So many things will confuse you. So what I recommend is follow always one strategy, one uh, uh, time set. For example, 9:30 every day. If you want to set 9:30, like that, follow every day, same time, same strategy. If you lose a money also, that is fine. You need to
Mhm.
follow same strategy. You should not change the strategy. In my experience, what did I do? I keep change strategies. I lost so much money and time also. That is when that strategy whatever I used in the past gets successful, I was not using that. So it don't change your strategies. That is first
Mm.
rule. Don't change your timings. For example, 9:30 means 9:30 only you should always sit and see the candles. So these are the two rules. One more rule I'll tell, very very important, that is risk and reward. So these
Mm.
three concepts you should follow to become
Mm.
expertise yourself. So if you
Mm.
do this, it will take time. Over the period only you can do it. It will not happen, overnight. It will take time. So for that only I recommend at least 6 months to 1 year, 2 years you need to practice so that your capital will be saved. Otherwise you lose capital, like people like me who
Mm.
didn't teach me all this, we lose capital without knowing these three concepts. I'll just repeat these three very very important principles. Number one, follow one strategy, whether
Mm.
it gives loss, profit, continuously keep following this. Let get expertise on this. Is it only one strategy in the market? No, there are
No.
thousands or thousands of strategies. Every strategy will give money. Follow any
Mm.
one strategy always. Okay. Rule number two, pick a time, be very punctual. For example, you may have commitments, you may have office, you may have personal work, you may have personal life, right? So pick a time which suits to you, stick to that time, discipline, right? If for example 10:30 what you can allot to the market, so always
Mm.
10:30 be on the line. Okay, like that. If you first pick your time and be disciplined with the timings. Okay. Third one
Mm.
is risk and reward. Risk and reward is called RR. So what is your risk? For example, per day you are ready to lose 2000 rupees.
Mm.
Your reward should be 4000 rupees. If you lose 2000 rupees, shut down everything, go home. Don't do
Mm.
trading. Don't do over trading. I did all these three mistakes in the past. That's why I
Mm.
lost money. Okay. So if
Okay.
you controlled on these three rules, you will be successful. These are the very important things nobody teaches,
Mm.
which we should know by experience only. Okay.
Okay. So
Now,
this
hmm,
risk and reward,
hmm,
like what ratios you have to keep it as a minimum
it's
thing?
up to you.
Like,
Like, if you are ready to see, you're okay. See, for some people are there, they can't afford more than 500 rupees per day. They're
mm.
ready to lose only 500 rupees per day. Some people, they're ready to lose 100 rupees.
Mm.
Some people ready to lose 2k, 2000 rupees. Correct? It's
Mm.
up to your capital appetite. How much
Okay.
you can put into the market. Correct?
Mm.
Some
Mm. Mm.
people
Mm.
ready to lose. My coach, he ready to lose 1 lakh per day.
Okay.
1 lakh per day, he is ready to
So
lose.
is like if you increase more the capita, there will
Ah,
be
your
more
risk will
reward.
be more. Yes, yes.
Okay.
As your as long as your risk is increased, your revenue also. I mean, your reward also will increase.
Okay.
For example, if you have 10,000, if you put in one stock 10,000 gone, your risk
Mm.
is gone, right? So we should not do such mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to plan how much risk I can take per day. Okay.
Mm.
Now let me tell you some basics. Then I'll get into the important topic. First basic is that, see, this is the stocks. You could see there are 5,000 stocks are listed. Correct.
Mm.
5,300 stocks. Is it possible to look into all the stocks?
Uh-huh.
No one can do it.
Not,
Correct.
no, not possible.
Sometimes 5,000 stocks, sometimes top 10 five stocks will go up, top 5 some stocks will go down, right? It will go up,
Mm.
go down, usually up and down it will happen. When it goes up, people call it as a top gainers. When it goes down, people call top losers, correct? Like this people
Mm.
usually call it. So it happens from this stocks list only, but it is
Mm.
not possible to identify all these 5,000 stocks which will go up today, which will go down today. It is not possible. So how these 5,000 are segregated is NSE, BSE. NSE is National Stock Market, BSE
Mm.
is Bombay Stock Market. Okay,
Mm.
both have listed. I always prefer you to go to NSE because what are listed here, it will listed in BSE also. For example, if 50 stocks are here,
Mm.
okay, 30 stocks here, this 30 stocks are in this also.
Okay.
That is first point. Bombay Stock Exchange usually Indians are preferred to do.
Mm.
NSE can register and work by onshore also. I mean, global markets also do trading in this NSE. So your
Mm.
liquidity will be more. The volume will be more here. So always
Mm.
select NSE. So
Okay.
when you select NSE, it means duplicate. BSE and NSE will have duplicates. So select either
Mm.
one only. I recommend you to use NSE. Okay, when you say select NSE, see from 5,000, no, you came to almost to
2000,
2,900.
3000.
Off 60% you came. 60% stocks you have identified. Correct. Now
Mm.
in this NSE also, you can't do trading all these 2,900 stocks. That is not possible at all. Correct. You need to
Mm.
pick stocks, right? So you need to pick such a way that you want to identify in 2026 which sector is doing really good. For example,
Mm.
it may be automobiles, they're doing very good, like Maruti, Mahindra,
Mm.
Hyundai, correct? There are a lot of automobiles, right? We need to find out, is it automobiles are very good in this year? You need to identify which sector is good
Mm.
in India, correct? Is it banks? I prefer banks because always banks are safe, right? It will not fall
Yeah.
very huge in India. It will not rise too huge also. It will go moderate, right?
Mm.
Financial services also related to banks only. FMCG like Nestle, correct?
Mm.
So anything related to fast moving that consumer goods comes
Mm.
under FMCG,
FMCG.
like Colgate, Palmolive, all this, Nestle,
Mm.
Hindustan Unilever, all this will fall under this sector. Or healthcare, anything related to hospitals, all those, right, will fall,
Mm.
like Apollo Hospital, correct? Anything related to IT like TCS, Infosys. So sector wise, you can pick which sector you wanted to perform. For example, you know that three, four sectors are very good, like automobiles,
Mm.
bank, FMCG, healthcare, IT. You wanted to perform these five, correct? Anything
Okay.
like metal, you heard it is really doing good. Pharma, you heard that it is really good. Real estate is really good in India. Like
Mm.
that, you can identify by sector. Okay.
So first we need to do some market research, basically what is happening in
2026,
it is.
maybe Narendra Modi announced that okay, energy will be very good in India, correct?
Mm.
Railways will be very good in India. Something you might come to know, or you prefer always that energy is really most happening in India, like that, right? So you
Mm.
pick any sector, okay?
Okay.
It's up to you which sector you wanted to pick. When you do that, what happens? The 2,000 stocks what are, we had, no, it became 150 only.
Mm.
So from this 150 also, is it possible to identify all the 150 per day which will go up, which will go down?
Mm.
Predominantly, it's up to us now. From here up to from 100, it's up to us how what you wanted to really look into the stocks. It's up to us, correct? So
Mm.
here, what I recommend, pick any 5 or 6 stocks every day, observe them what is happening with the stocks. For example, from my case, I picked few stocks in each sector, as I showed you earlier, right?
Mm.
I from IT one, from automobiles one,
Okay.
from hospital one, like that each sector one I pick, because if one sector is going up, right, that definitely that stock should go up, correct? That case I just picked based on the sector only. For example, you look at here, I picked Maruti, that Ertiga we use, right?
Ertiga, huh?
It is very famous in India. Maruti is very, very well known number one brand, right? So, like that. Hospitals, I picked Apollo, correct? In pharma, I picked Sun Pharma. In IT sector and all, there are TCS, Infosys, all those. Since IT sector is really doing bad now, I am looking at IT manufacturing MNC companies like Dixon, which they make some chips for mobiles and all, for Samsung. Okay, there are a lot of business they
We
do.
can also invest in this RAM companies, right?
They
So,
invest in RAM companies. This is the Dixon is RAM provider.
okay,
There are this person is very famous in RAM, the chip which he
chip.
produces.
Okay,
Yes. Okay, OFS is Oracle, very
Oracle.
famous for building softwares, right? So Cummins also one of MNC. HAL is that here, right? HAL, that
Yeah, that's
aeronautics.
aeronautics.
So I picked. If you look at, no, all are diversified, correct? It's not one sector from one person, right? I just looked at each sector one stock. Like this, you can pick based on your experience, based on the way you hear from the people or news, correct? Pick each sector one stock. Okay, pick it and hold like this, or you can follow my stocks also, not a problem, correct? Now, what we should do, what we learned so far, I'll just summarize. Number one, we learned rules, what we should do, correct?
Yeah, we have to
Uh,
follow the timings and
yeah,
stick to the same timing and
correct. Risk
strategy we have to
reward.
follow.
One strategy, one time, the one risk reward we should always follow. Okay,
Hmm.
that will make you profitable, and you will be in safe mode. Okay. Now, number two, you should pick stocks, because there are 5,000 stocks. It is not easy to track them. I used to jump from one stock to one stock, one stock to one stock. I never consistently looked into one stock. Whenever I close, right, the stock what I closed will goes up. I feel very bad that I closed it and it went up. So I always recommend, please pick stocks and keep them based on the sectors. Okay. Two, we learned so far. Okay, now
Okay.
we learned everything. We have stocks. We are ready to follow the risk and reward. Everything is we are planned, well planned. Now, how to look into data, right? So this is how the data looks. What if I show you only candles like this? For example, let me take this Hindustan Aeronautics only, or let me take Dixon, that chip stock, or you can take Maruti also. Anything for now, correct? Okay, now whenever you look at any stocks, what you should see is very, very important point is what is my high, what is my low. Simple. You pick any stock, okay, what is my high, what is my low. For example, Maruti I'm picking. So Maruti stock, past a few days, what is the max it went, correct? You should try to see what is the high price for the Maruti stock. Okay. What was the low for Maruti stock? This is what you should see. For example,
Okay.
how to see why people are losing money? The reason is time frames, right? This is 12 months, 1 year time frame. If you look at, okay, 1 year ago, how was Maruti? It was 150 rupees during 2008,
Hmm.
right? So maybe during COVID and all, it fell. It came to 3,000 during
That's a
COVID.
single stock value.
Single
So
stock.
from 500 it has increased to 3000.
From 500, it increased to close to 10,000 something. It went. It fell during COVID. Everybody knows
COVID.
in India
Okay.
that COVID was very big impact in the stocks. Correct. During COVID, Maruti fell very badly, and it came to 4,200 something. It came right. From here, it went up. So what you should do is, in different time frames, you try to identify what is my high, what is my low. In this case, what I'll do is, I'll take from here some tools, any you can pick, correct? Just to take one tool, mark it here. This is my low, correct? It tells very clearly this is my low, and this was my previous high. This was my previous high, correct? During COVID and all, what happened? My low, it shows 4,000. Is it? My high close to 10,000 it was showing. So what you should do is in any stock, if this breaks above, I mean above 10,000, let it fall how much ever it falls, correct?
Hmm.
Above 10,000, I will buy this stock. This is what you should have a mindset.
Okay, so above the previous
High.
largest high, we have to take the stocks.
Exactly. You got my
Okay.
point, right? So this is a very principle. So whenever the high breaks out, I mean, when the Maruti 10K broke out, right? You should have a eye on it, correct? And you should enter here on the 10,000 during the breakout. You enter, or this candle breakout happened, right? This is broke the 10,000 mark, correct?
Hmm.
During which month? Let me check which month. During 2023 January,
Hmm.
some investors have come, or Maruti started doing very good. Sales have increased, whatever reasons, 100 reasons on the fundamental side. We are looking at it technical. No, this candle broke the 10K mark, correct? When it broke, at least while doing the break 10,000 you can take, or on the retracement when it comes to again 10,000 you can take. It's up to your way of trading, correct? Two ways you can take. Now 10,000 you took. 10,000 is the price you took, correct? You need to hold until whatever the fallen, no, that much price until you get, no, you need to hold the stock. For example, I'll take the measurement and see how much fallen. 6,000 until it goes to 16,000. Getting my point? From 10,000 to until it is going to 16,000, you should hold this stock. Okay, how many years it took? During 2020, 2023 you took this stock, correct? Or 2024 you took this stock January, when it touched the 10,000. During this 2 period only you would have taken, okay? You holded 2025 completely, it reached your target, correct? Now again it is falling, maybe because of current situation, oil issues, right? The stock is falling, correct? When it reaches above 16,000, correct? This is the high now. I'll mark it second high is this, correct? When it reaches 16,000 above, when it comes for retracement, again if you invest, whatever the fallen today till here, 7,000 you can expect in future. When it will happen, it may take years, correct? So this is how we should look into the data. Okay, I'll repeat again what we learned. Every stock will have high, every stock will have low. We need to identify what is the previous high. This is called previous high, this is called previous low. Always we should look into what is my previous high and previous low. If you wanted to look for buy stocks, when this high is broken, above that you should keep on going for buy side. If this is broken and going down, means that stock is very bad, falling below, you need to look for sell side. This is the simple concept of looking into any stocks during the trading. Apart from this, nothing to learn. This is the strategy. Now we are going to look into each stock, okay, what is my previous low, what is my previous high, when we should buy it. This practice you should do for 6 months or 1 year. If you keep practice this strategy, one day you will be expertise, you will become king of this buy high and low. You will keep on look into either I need to buy here, and the retracement you need to buy here, and up how much I need to hold, like this. You can keep on practice and learn it. Now coming to the question, this is very beautiful, but I need to wait for years, correct?
Yeah.
Is it really worth to wait years of trading? It is not, right? So what is next option is you can change the timing, correct? Instead of looking into yearly, come to monthly, correct? Now look for what is my high, previous high, what is my previous low. Simple, correct? This makes very sense, right? Now I'll mark in monthly. This is my previous high. This was my previous low, correct? Now I say that below 4,000 if market goes, I'll not buy. If it goes above my 9,900, I'll buy, correct? This
Yeah.
candle, it is very clearly tells me this monthly candle, this broke my line, correct? Either while breaking during the 2023 February, you should enter. Okay, if not, during the retracement, when it comes back to this amount, you should enter. This is the two way of entering. Okay, and you
Okay.
can hold the month wise. You can hold. Okay, if you think that from here also I need to wait for a long time to see, come to weekly. Correct. Come to weekly. Now I'll remove what I marked in monthly. Now I'll look for what is my previous high and what is my previous low. In this concept also, if you could see,
So this
this
previous
is
high and
my
previous low.
hmm,
So how do we take the points basically? See, we have too many lines in the front
hmm.
and we have too many green lines in the back. So where you are marking up.
That's what you
So,
need.
huh,
If a price is here,
huh,
what was my high? This was my high. This was my low. Correct.
hmm,
Or before this, if I wanted to mark, this was my high. This was my low. Correct. If
hmm,
you uh, since very new to the market and all, you may not identify what is my previous high and previous low.
huh,
You can use an indicator. I'll share this indicator which will give you where is my high, where is my low, correct? Let me
hmm,
share that indicator with you. You could see here hh means higher. Okay, let me make it bigger for you. You can use this magnifier glass and make it like this. You see higher high, this is my
HH.
HH. Higher high means the highest one. Though
Okay.
I'll mark this. So this indicator also will tell you what was my higher. Okay. What was
Mm-hmm.
my lower low? This was my
This
lower
my
low.
lower low.
Okay. Will I have another higher high? Yes. You see, this is my higher high. Okay.
Hmm,
So if you don't want to follow this previous ones, current one you can follow. This is current one. This is my
hmm.
current, not previous. This is this current. Okay, and this not lower low. This is before that only one low is created. Okay,
Okay.
if it
So we
falls,
we need to check from this high and low. The
exactly,
previous one. Inside that, if the line frame is going top or down, then we can buy and sell.
correct.
Oh,
You got some clarity now, right?
yeah.
Now, so I can do this weekly. Now I can do daily also. Correct? I can come to
Mm-hmm.
daily. I can find out where is my higher high, where is my lower low. Correct? It is as simple as that. So you need to identify what is my higher high. I need to identify what is my lower low. Each time when you reduce your time frame, no, your accuracy and your no time will reduce. Your accuracy also reduce. Your time also will reduce. The more time you go for the higher and higher low, the accuracy will be more. Okay, for example, monthly will be very strong, higher high and higher lows. Weekly will be very strong. Daily it will reduce little bit. If you come to hourly, it will come more lesser. If you come 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes and all, it will be weightage will be less. Okay. Now, what is the best time to practice is for beginners, use daily for beginners. So keep
Okay.
this daily and this indicator I'll give you. Here there is an option called show swing points. I'll recommend you keep 21. So it will reduce, too many higher low it was showing, right? It will reduce and
Mm-hmm.
show you very less now, correct? For is it showing less is good? Yes, correct. You can markings, you can reduce the markings. For example, I changed to 21. You see the higher low is very less now, correct? You can identify
Mm-hmm.
and you can match according to your requirements now. So the learning here is what we are trying to learn is one strategy. The one strategy is what is my high, what is my low, because any stock will go with higher high, lower low only. For example, what happened with the Maruti started from 500, it went to 9,000. it came back to 50%, that is 4,000 something, 4,000, 5,000, 5,000 something, it came back. And when it went again, again it will come to 10,000, and it will go again 16,000, again it will fall down, it will go to 20,000. So if you take any stocks, it will go like this only in the technical analysis. Okay,
Okay.
technical analysis, how it works is, it will go high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, like that. It never goes, any stock will never go like this. Why? The reason is, let's take our very famous names: Rama, Sita, Lakshmana,
Mm.
Hanuman. Okay, now Rama coming and he investing some amount in the Maruti somewhere when it was 500 rupees. Okay, when he invested 500 rupees on 500 rupees of Maruti, it went to 5,000, correct?
Mm.
So 500 rupees to 5,000 k it came. Now any human or any person, right, when it reaches to 500 to 5,000, he will sell.
Mm.
He'll sell in stocks, maybe not 100 stocks. If he bought 100 stocks, he might not still sell all 100. He might sell few of the stocks. He needs money,
Mm.
right? He will not keep it in the one stock for years and years. He needs money, right? So he'll sell. This is called profit booking. He sold. Rama sold. Okay. For example, Rama invested 1 crore here. Okay. He got 10 crores here. He will sell
Mm.
80 crores, so that he'll get some money. He'll invest in other stocks, or he'll invest when it goes up, correct?
Mm.
Now one person like Sita, okay, she found that Maruti is doing really good, it went to 5,000, correct?
Mm.
I really wanted to invest in the stocks. She'll do her analysis. She'll be ready when Maruti came to, let me erase this. As per the chart, this was 10k and this was 5k, right?
Mm.
Now what Sita will do, no, Sita will do a marking and she'll be waiting, let it come about 10,000, I'll buy, correct? So it came, business is happening, everything is doing good, some investors are coming, going, so 10,000 it crossed. Now here Rama also will come to buy Maruti because it's very good stock. Yearly and yearly the sales are good, revenue is doing good, the performance is good, and top one in India, correct? So when it reaches this place, Rama will invest some amount here, Sita also looking into it. So what happens, this shares, when people are investing in crores and crores, not like 1,000 rupees and all, when people, this is called big foot or institutional buyers, big buyers comes here and buy, which makes candle move from one place to another place. Our
Mm.
investment will not move the candle, not a bit. So big amount in 1,000 crores and all, when people invest, candle will move. Okay, so Sita and Rama, they invested here and candle moved, correct? Now Sita also found that, okay, it reached 16k from 10k. The price reached 16 to 10k. And Rama also found, okay, 10k to 16k Maruti is reached. Let me sell. So they'll sell. So this is called profit booking. Okay.
Mm.
Now here it is there. Now Lakshmana observed. Lakshmana is thinking, okay, now price is somewhere around 10k or 13k. Let it break this 16k, I'll enter. He'll be waiting, right? When prices comes here, now Rama, Lakshmana, Sita, everyone will invest here. Stock will go up, correct? When it comes down,
Mm.
when it reaches high like 20k, all three of them will sell. When they sell, stock will fall, correct? Because they are big investors, when they take out money, stock will go down, right? Now Hanuman also looking into the stock, he'll also enter if 20k is bypasses. So today you and me looking into this Maruti, and we found that stock price is at present it's 13k somewhere, right, or 14k.
Mm.
In future down the line, when people looking into this video down the line, 2 3 years, right, it will definitely will touch 16k as first target, 20k as a second target. It will happen. correct? Down the line, it will take time. When it will happen, nobody knows. That's why we have seen in the news and paper and all saying that my tata bought 10,000 shares. Now it became 1 crore, correct? So people
Hmm.
would have buy at 500 rupees. It will reach, for example, 10,000 stocks is tata bought during when Maruti was 500 rupees. Just multiply this. Simple. Correct? 500 rupees is nothing for him. Correct? During that time.
Hmm.
If he is rich guy, 500 rupees nothing. Just calculate this 10,000 into 500. Definitely it will become 1 crore or 5 crores. Correct? So that's how people are getting money. So you need to invest when the price, low, and sell it when it goes to high. Okay.
Okay.
This is the fundamental, what is high, what is low, what is high, what is low. So what I'm trying to tell you is any stock will go high low, high low, high low, high low, correct? Now people will say that market crash, correct? Market
Hmm.
crash, market falling, uh, the this year is bad year, like that, correct? When people will say, for example, Martri went to 10,000, this is 10k line, okay, it came to 5,000, it has to go to 16,000, it has to fall, it has to go to 20,000. This is a 10k place, this is the 5k place, correct? This is a 16k place, and this is again, this is 10k place, correct?
Hmm.
Now market has to go up, no? Instead of going up, market instead of going up, what happened? From here it took rejection, it falling, it
Hmm.
until here I'm okay, let it fall. If it falls, break down here, comes down, that is called market crash. It means if your previous low is broke, remember this line, this is my H, this is my low. If your previous low is broken, it is called crash. So you should not look for buy. If this stock is falling further, until the fall, when it will stop, until where it will fall, nobody knows, correct? It will keep on, will fall. L should not break. When your previous L is broken means market is crashing, it will go further down. Understood? If
Hmm.
market is breaking H and going up means the growth is good, buy side you can look into it. If L is breaking and going down means you should look into sell, correct? So I'll
Hmm.
just summarize what we spoke about. Any stock, I'm not talking about just Maruti just an example. You take Bitcoin, you take gold, you take silver, you take Apollo Hospital, any stock, the fundamentals, the strategy, whatever we learn now, that is standard. What we learned, there will be H, that is high, there will be low. If H is broken and going up, it is a buy. Clear?
Hmm.
If L is broken and going down means L is broken, that also happens, right? You need to look for sell. What is sell, what is buy, if you understand, you can rock the market left and right. These people get confused, is it market in the sell side or buy side? This is the confusion you'll have entire life if you are in the trading. To avoid that, you need to identify what is your previous high and what is your previous low. Until your low breaks, you should not look for sell. Until your high breaks, you should not look for buy. Clear?
Hmm.
Now, if I keep it, daily, my previous high is this market. Correct? This is my previous high. And what is my previous low? This is my previous low. Correct?
Hmm.
So how the market came? How market came like it came down, correct? It went up,
And it's going top.
it came down. Do you see W?
Hmm.
Whenever you see W, it means market is trying to go up. W is the shape, it will tell you it is going up. From a big fall, it recovered, it started going up. So usually what happens? It will go like this, it will go like this, it will go like this. Daily, if you look at the candle, it will break
Hmm.
this one day. It will go like this. Okay. In case instead of W, worst scenario, let me talk about that also. It came like this, it went like this, it came like this, it went like this. Now instead of falling like this and going up, Okay, it instead of falling like this and going up, what is happening is it is breaking this below. This bottom is there, no? It breaking below
Mm-hmm.
this, and it is going like this. What you'll see here is you will see M. When you see W, it
Mm.
is a buy. Okay, when you see M, it is sell. Simple. Why I'm
Okay.
saying this is your previous low, right? This should not break. It means if this breaks, gone. It will form a M and it will keep on going down.
Mm.
Correct? If it goes like above forming W, always you should look for okay, the candle is going on the buy side. Okay, let me show you Dixon what has happened in the past. Correct? Or you can look into Maruti only. Look at this M form. Can you see the M?
Mm.
This period, August 2025, market was here. I have high here, low is this. Correct? High here, low is this. High here, low is this. Correct? From this low, market went up very beautiful. Correct? It formed a
Mm.
low. It went up. Correct? What happened? This low is broken. Correct?
Mm.
This low is broken. That's why crash happened. So this guy, from this guy, the sell has happened. If you keeping the stock hold after 15,000 crash also, it's
Mm.
your mistake. If you blame market, I'll blame you that you don't know how to look into the candles. I'll blame you saying that you don't know how to do the trading. I blame you saying that you don't know how to mark your high and low. Correct?
Mm.
And people do mistakes and they blame market. Market never ever follow one person. It will always follow high and low. If you understand that high and low, you can play with the market. We psychologically weak, we lose money, and we blame market. That is
Mm.
the problem happening, including me. We don't understand the candles, we don't follow the market strategies, we start blaming the market, saying that Maruti stock is not good or Apollo stock is, all stocks are really good. You need to know how to look into the
Like we need
stocks,
to
understand
know when to buy, when to sell. So
when
that
to
is the
sell. So
major
it is
thing.
very, yes, it is very clear that it is telling me don't buy if this low is broken. Okay, now what is the name
Mm.
of this? This is called Chach. Chach means change of character. Change
Mm.
of character. It means market is shifting from one mode to another mode. Understood?
Okay.
Yes. Market is shifting from one mode to another mode called change of character. MSS. Some people say market structure shift. Okay. Market structure shift, or you can keep it as a change of character. Very simple. Charge. Correct. If
Mm.
market high side, if it breaks, it is called BOS, that is break of structure. BOS is
Okay.
tells me high if it breaks or low it breaks, it will tell me break of structure. It will keep on going upside. Correct.
Mm.
Like that, we should understand what is the market is doing, and we should understand how to do the trading based on high and low. Okay, till here you are clear, right? Now,
Yeah.
let me mark my high and low to do trading. I am taking, this is my high. Correct, this is my high and this is my
Mm.
low. As per my recent high and low, my recent high is broken, not my recent low. Correct.
Mm.
Very clearly it tells me this is my high and this is my low, and inside there is a higher low created. I mean, this low is not broken, right? This is called HL, means higher low, higher high will create. Correct. When the first
Mm.
time it is created beautifully, it tells me charge from sell side. What happened here? Charge buy side it is created. So in
Mm.
Maruti, you should not look for sell candles. You should look for buy candles until this is broken. This HL is there, no? Until this is broken, you should look for only buy opportunities. Whatever the fall, you should think that okay, profit bookings are happening. Let's look into the market and buy. Look for the buy option. For example, this is a low created from the sell side. After that, no further low is created, correct? From this low of the sell side, I mean, Maruti came to 12,200 rupees. If you invested in 12,200 rupees, when was the last fall? After that, no further falls. Okay. From here, it created one high price, that is
Hmm.
13,900 rupees. Close to 1,500 points it went up during April to March to April in 1 month. Okay. After 1 month, what will happen? If Shiva bought this stock at 12,200, it went to 13,000 or 14,000. I'll start booking profit, right? So I booked the profit. So it created from low, one higher low it is created. Okay. It not broken this, correct? It is an opportunity falling, and people will start looking into, if above this, people start looking into the buy. Now from here, it does this previous low, lower high, whatever we had, that is broken. Previous lower high broken means it is called charge. Now market is this shape. I'll hide the candles and show you what is the shape. I'll hide the candles. You just look into the shape. What happened? It went up, down, up.
Up.
Here, this high is broken. It is called charge. Charge means change of character. So
Change
from
of
sell side, Maruti turned to buy side. Now what happens? Since breakup structure happened, it has to fall here, take this and go up. Correct? Like that, it is now fallen here, and it has to, by this month end or this weekend, today is the Friday, no, last day, it has to close above this and keep on going up. Then the profit booking is done. Generally what happens, from here, it fallen here, it can fall up to here. No issues, because my higher low is still here. Below this, should not look for any buy opportunities. Okay, you should look only till here, up to 13,000, 13,900, 13,800. Maruti is good for buying opportunities. Okay, and till here I expect. Okay, because this is called demand area. So some people are there, no? When tomato comes for 10 rupees, they'll buy 10 kgs. If tomato is 80 rupees, nobody will buy, right? 10 kgs. They
Yeah.
might buy 1 kg, 2 kg, that's all. So people wait, let the Maruti come to 13,000 or 12,800, I'll buy. People invest, correct? Because this is a demand place. People will start buying in this area, huge amount of quantity they'll put, they'll bring the market up. So this is the signage. So this you need to mark and see after a week, after a month, right? How your markings are going on. If I hold this and keep it for a 2 weeks, you will understand what is happening. Correct? If you think that no, I can't look into weekly and all, it is very difficult for me. Move same strategy to 1 hour. Do whatever we have done in the daily candles, do it in the 1 hour candle. Will the 1 hour candle market structure will be same? It will be different, right? So
Yeah.
1 hour if you go right, the buy high will be different, low will be different. So based on 1 hour candle, you need to identify what is my high, what is my low. Correct?
Yeah.
So up to your timing and all, try to find out which time suits to you. For beginners, I recommend use the daily only, because just check daily once. Simple, correct? If it is 1 hour, you need to check in a day at least 2-3 times. You need to check what is
So,
happening with the
like,
candle.
this candle will move for a single day.
This candle, whatever you see, this is single candle, will finish whole day. It will go up and down, and it will finish on one place. single day.
Okay.
Now I'll coming to the point. If you wanted to look into positional trading, okay, if you want to do positional trading, it means you want to buy today and sell next month or 1 month. Positional you wanted to keep. You need to look into data daily, 4 hours, weekly, monthly, like this. You need to look into time frame candles. You need to take a trade. That is called positional trading. Okay.
Mm.
You don't want like that. You want to buy Monday, you want to sell by Friday, weekly. Or you want to
Okay.
buy in the morning, sell in the evening. That is
Mm.
called intraday. If you want to buy on the same day, sell it on the same day, it is called intraday.
In intraday.
Intraday. Intraday trading. People in India now, intraday only doing it because we never know what Trump will give, his feedback or decisions over
Mm.
the period. If you buy today and keep it tomorrow, any news might come, correct? Nowadays, what people are doing it, they're buying in the morning, selling in the evening. No one is doing
Okay.
positional trading because Trump. This whole year is going like that only, correct?
Hmm. So which is better,
For
like
for beginners, I recommend either keep it 1 hour or daily.
mm,
Watch candle marking high and low. Try to understand this because psychologically we should understand how this works. Right? It will take time.
mm,
For that only, I was requesting everyone, whomever I teach, please use this for 6 months or 1 year. Correct? Understand
mm,
how the market is going. Select only 6 stocks, mark them, and see is it going as per your analysis.
mm.
Once you done with all, come to 1 hour. 1 hour is very good for swing trade and positional trade and intraday trade also, because 1 hour is between intraday, between positional. It is like a middle guy.
Mm.
Okay, for example, you married to someone, you are belong to your parents, you are belong to your in-law also, right? You are middle guy, like that. For trading, 1 hour is a middle guy. Okay,
Mm.
if you use 1 hour, it applies to your swing trading or positional trading. It applies to your intraday trading also. 1 hour is that beauty. Okay,
Okay.
now I'll remove all this. You tell me, will mark in 1 hour what is my high, what is my low. Correct? You can use this
Mm.
indicator which I was using now, or after some days when you get good experience, no, you can remove this indicator and start by your own markings. Correct?
Mm.
Let's start from here. So market, you should always find from where it is falling. You see, make it very small. Okay, from here
Mm.
it started falling. It went up, started falling, went up, started falling. Correct.
Mm.
Somewhere, let's start from here. This low. Correct. I'll
Mm.
this take this magnifier, make it little bigger. This candle. Correct. From here, I'm looking into it. Huh? From
Okay.
here, if you see, it went
That
up.
will be the low.
This was low. I'll ask you from where you need to say this was low, this was high, this
Mm.
was low, this was high. So when your previous this one is broken, I'll call it charge. It means
Mm.
in 1 hour during June 4th, right? Whatever high was created, this guy broke. June 12th, June 12th around 1:15, it broke. It broke our previous high and went to buy side. It means what was the price? 13,200 was the price entry. Okay, it went up, it came for retracement, it is going up. Correct? Like this, it is happening. Now we know that charge is happened now. Now let's keep some trigger. This is a trigger like alarm. I kept 13,300. I'll keep 13,300. I'll keep a alarm. Please give me alarm because I might not see whole day. No, I'll keep alarm 13,300. When it reaches, give me alarm saying that my stock is ready for the observation. Okay, this is my previous high, previous low I marked, and I have the position here because this guy is very important for us. So I'll mark this and I'll lock this. So below this, any stock falls below this, it is a sell. I'll not look for anything buy in the Maruti until 13,300. Again, it comes above this. Now, question to you: we have previous high, previous low, correct?
Mm.
Now you can tell me, shall I mark this as my high?
Yeah.
This is my high. This was my
Mm. Low.
low, correct. Now, when market goes below this, I'll call it as a sell.
Mm.
When it goes and breaks this, what we call?
It is buy. We can buy the stocks.
Yes. So it broke, it called as a BOS, breakup structure,
Mm.
correct? Buy side, high side it broke, it went to the breakup structure.
Mm.
Okay. So this all happening in the June, when the break happened, June 30th.
June 30th.
Okay. So July month should be, when the June 30th is breaking, no, July month should be above this only it should trade, correct?
Mm.
Until this is broken.
Mm.
Okay, now when market comes above 14,000, I look for buy opportunity. Simple.
Mm.
Okay, if it is falling below this, let it fall. Okay, breakup structure happen, retrace, people are booking the profit bookings, let it fall. I'll not look for any buy opportunities here. You see any candle coming above this, only you will look for buy
Buy.
opportunity. We don't know how long it will fall, correct? It might
Mm.
fall till here and retrace, it might break this and go down, correct? We don't
Mm.
know. We will see only by the breakup structure where it happened 14,000, right? For the July month, whatever the breakup structure happen in the end of the June, that is 14,000 above only, I look for buy. When candle comes above this, you should look for buy. Okay, and you should hold it until your target. For example, you have identified a buy here, so above this you will buy. Okay, and your risk reward should be 1:2. For example, your risk is 1,000 rupees, your reward should be 2,000 rupees. That's what I asked you to follow the rules, right? In this case, what has happened, we got one risk reward is 1:3.56. We got 1:3 is very good.
Okay.
Whatever the breakup structure happening, that candle below, we should keep the stop loss. On the above the breakup structure, what has happened above that, we should keep it as a buy area, and you should hold for 1:2, 1:3.
Mm.
That's all. 1:2, 1:3. It means 1,000 rupees risk, 2,000 rupees profit. For example, you are buying here, your stop loss is this. So what is the buy area? You are buying at 14,050
14,000.
rupees. Keep it as around 14,050 rupees. If it goes down 13,900, you will close that deal. Whatever happening, you should close it. That's all. It means,
Mm.
let me write it here, 14,050. 14,050 is buy area above this, correct? You'll buy above this. Now, if it is coming 13,900, you'll sell. Okay. How many points? 150 points difference, correct?
Mm.
150 point difference. So 150 into how much you can buy, it's up to you. For example, I can buy only 1,000 loss. So you can buy how much, like 1,000 means 10, 10 shares you can buy, 1,500 loss. If
Mm.
it goes below this, you lose 1,500 rupees, correct? Now let's calculate. You bought at 14,050. 14,050 you bought, correct?
Mm.
You sold it here, 1:3.
3.
So it means you sold at 14,500. 14,550 it is coming, but let 14,550 you sold. 500 rupees, 500 points. Same into 10 stocks you bought, right? You'll get 5,000 rupees. It means 1,500 you might lose.
Hmm.
or you may get 5,000 rupees profit. Either one will happen. Either it will hit your stop loss or you will get the take profit. This is called stop loss SL in short. This is called take profit.
Hmm. So
This
this
is
is for quick money
uh,
to
this
make
is
it like one.
this is called risk and reward. Either you
Risk and
lose 1,500 or you will get 5,000 rupees.
hmm.
So we know our strategy. Our strategy is high and low. We know our risk reward. You lose 1,500, you lose profit. You lose 1,500, or you will get 5,000 rupees. Like this, you should keep doing your analysis and take risk reward and follow single timing. That is 1 hour. Correct. From here onwards,
Hmm.
keep in mind that you strictly say that I'll follow 1 hour. That 1 hour also you think yourself that okay, daily 10 o'clock I'll sit, I'll see whether it is breaking my structure or not. If it breaks your structure high low, take the trade. Otherwise, don't take the trade. If you think that 1 hour is not happening, come to 5 minutes, come to 15 minutes, but follow one time frame forever. Stick to one time
Hmm.
frame and follow the same time frame. Wait for what is the only biggest issue, psychological problem why people are losing money. The reason is psychologically you need to wait, patience. That is the problem for us. We want quick money, we just enter, correct, we lose it, including me. That's what happening with everyone. To avoid that, you need to follow these rules and stay with that rules forever. Okay. Now I was
Hmm.
talking about only buy side. I can also talk about sell side. And for example, this was my, if I go to 5 minutes or 15 minutes, this could have been my low. This could have been my
Hmm.
high. Here my low is broken. You see this red candle very clearly it broke. Correct. If I would have been in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Correct.
Hmm.
The retracement happened this candle. So here is somewhere 14,000 somewhere 14,300 is my sell. Correct. If you take sell, if you would have taken sell, you would have reached your target. Sell side also. Correct. This candle will be my sell candle. RMC you would have reached 1 is to 3. Correct.
Hmm.
Either you go on the buy side, either you go on the sell side. The strategy is same. In India market, sell is faster.
Hmm.
Buy goes slow, sell is faster. That's all. This is what I learned over the period. I mean, past 1 year, 1.5 year, and I made lot of mistakes. That's why I made rules myself from my coach. Whatever he taught me, those are the 3 rules I told you to follow strictly. If you follow those rules and follow risk reward, market will give you money. If you don't follow any rules, if you just take random stocks randomly, if you buy without any strategy, you lose money. Okay, to avoid all such things, I always recommend you to follow rules and identify where is the price. Wait for the stock. That is the biggest patience you should have. Wait for the stocks. It is very clear for me that I will not go for buy on this Maruti until it comes above this, right? When it will come, we need to wait. Either it should break above this 14,000 and go up. I look for a buy opportunity below the candle, whatever the break and candle below that, or it has to come here where lot of demand. People are waiting for 13,000 to come. If 13,000 comes, 100 out of 100 people will come and buy this, and it will go up. If in case it breaks this, it is very small stop loss. How many points? From 13,260, I'll 13,200. It means just 60 points. Very small stop loss. 60 points. I can buy 100 also. So I might lose 6,000 rupees here, correct? But if it goes from here, the first target is this, second target is this. How much I'll get if I buy there, if I wait and buy there? So look at the reward, 1,300 points. So when it will come and hit this, nobody knows. 1300 points instead of 60 points. If I risk of 60 points risk, I'll get 1300 points reward. It means if I have 1300 into 100, it is like close to 1,30,000 rupees, which is very good amount. I lose 6,000 rupees, I'll get 1,30,000 rupees. I'll just wait for this. That's why I kept alarm also. Let the market fall here. I'll buy here. I'll put stop loss, small stop loss. I'll buy 100 stocks. I'll leave it.
Hmm.
When it comes to here, I'll book partially. Maybe 50 stocks. I'll sell it. Remaining 50, I'll hold it here.
Hmm.
So this is called waves. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This is called wave theory. Okay. We call this is as a 1, this is 2, this is 3. What we need to buy is 1 to 1 when it will happen, nobody knows. 2 when it will end, nobody knows. Our target is this 2 to 3 only. Just go with the investors. Where we should go with the investors, that is 2 to 3. In this case, this is 1, this is 2. When 2 will end, we don't know whether it will end here and go up or it will end here and go up. But my area marking is this and this. Here if it comes, I'll buy, or here it comes, I'll buy. Correct? Let the break happens, right? So from here my target is very small. From here my target is very big. My stop loss is very small. Like this you should read the candle. To do this you need time. Correct? Practice this for years and you can do wonders in the market. My coach, he earns 45 lakhs per day.
45 lakhs per day.
Per day. My coach. Weekly 1 crore he makes.
Mm-hmm.
Not Indian market. He do in the global market like Bitcoin. You heard Bitcoin, gold.
Mm-hmm.
So the reason is why he makes money in this is our market opens at 9:15 every day. Every day means Monday to Friday. 9:15 it opens. In public holidays it will be holiday. It closes 3:15 or 3:30. So just 6 hours. That's all, no? But Bitcoin is 24/7. It open. For example, some people go to school, some people go to college, some people go to office. We have commitments in the 9 to 3, no? They can't do trading in this. It is difficult for them, correct? If we take Bitcoin, no, 24/7, night 9 o'clock if you have time, correct? You just follow the same strategies, same rules. You take any stocks, any global, all same rule. 9 p.m. is your time. You just look into high low of your Bitcoin, take trade here. Because this 24/7 is open. Take gold. Gold, everybody knows in India that gold how much valuable in India, right? Take gold. The movement in gold and Bitcoin is very high compared to others. For example, you take this all Indian market, no? This is what I have chosen, right? Nobody is crossing 700, 800. Bitcoin will move per day 1,500 points. 1,500 points, which moves Maruti for 1 month. This guy moves one day. In 1 day, 1,500 points he'll move. You just mark high and low of this Bitcoin. Take trade on Bitcoin. 24/7, the market is open. The only problem in Bitcoin is volatile. The candle goes very high up and down. You need practice. If you practice, then anytime you can take trade. That's why he is making 45 lakhs per day. My coach. He is making more money in gold and Bitcoin. If it falls also he'll make money. If it goes up also he'll make money. So if you think that Indian market, I'm very busy, I'll sleep, I'll have my commitments, I'll read something like that, leave it. You open the Bitcoin, do the same formula. Okay. I'll take only 5 minutes because we spoke too much. No, one day we should not learn everything. Correct?
Yeah.
You might not remember. Let's take Bitcoin as a last one, right? After that, if you have any questions, we'll take another session. Okay. So
Hmm.
just look into Bitcoin, how it was, right? You might heard Bitcoin, gold, correct? In your experience,
Hmm.
it was 200 rupees, 300 rupees in the past, correct?
Hmm.
It from the low 293, it went high 1 lakh 26. Look at the when it started. I think 2017, after before COVID, it started, correct? 2017 it started. It went so crazy. That's why Bitcoin became very famous, and everybody knows or heard about Bitcoin, right? But few past 2 years, Bitcoin is falling badly. It is called crash because if you take this was low broken,
Hmm.
right? Will you look for buy here? No, right?
No.
Low is broken very clearly. Now you become expertise on this. So I marked C 1, 2, 3, correct? Waves, correct? In
Hmm.
this case also, if I come to monthly, no, this was my high, this was my low. When my high breaks, it is called break of structure. I need to look for above 68,000. I always look for buy opportunity, correct? It is keep
Hmm.
on going buy, correct? If my low is broken, I'll not look for buy opportunity, correct? Now I look for daily or weekly, correct? I keep change based on my weightage. So here I'll see this was my low, this was my high, correct? If this low is broken, sell is going. If this high is broken, buy is going, like that. You need to mark your high and low and do trading. As I said, let's look into one time frame, that is 1 hour or 4 hours. Mark it here and observe this. Okay, let's remove all this. I'll mark what is my high, what is my low. Then we will start looking into this. What is happening after a week and all. So you could see here W, very clear W pattern, isn't it? It fell
Hmm.
very badly. It went up.
It's going to.
It fell. You see a
It's
W.
increasing.
So from Maruti to Bitcoin we came, but candles are same, right? If you learn
Hmm.
once, right, that is a learning you should apply for everywhere. Now what I want you to recommend is the biggest high is this, correct? So mark this. Okay, lock it. That was my high. If that high is broken, Bitcoin is like bullish, correct? This was my low, or lock it. So between this high and low, one lower high is created. After that, lower low is not created, correct? So this
Hmm.
was my lower high. It is when your lower high is broken, it is called church. Church
Hmm.
means change of character. When church happens, sell side to buy side, Bitcoin is converted. Now Bitcoin is buy side only. You should look into it. You should not look for a sell. If you The problem with us is if you look for sell now, you will lose money. You look any fall, you look for buy opportunity. Okay,
Hmm.
because as I said, Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, Hanuman, and all, they buy each place, right? I might buy 60,000. You might see, you might buy 61,000. Correct?
Hmm.
Different. We will have the different buy orders. Everyone can't buy at the same place, isn't it?
Hmm.
Now this is my high. This is my low on my higher time frame. Now I'll come to 1 hour. Between this is my high and this is my low. In between there was one more higher low created, but I will say if Bitcoin breaks 61,500, you look for sell. It is not breaking, touching this, going up. As I said, people would have waited here and put lot of money here. The stop loss is very small from here to here, correct? When it
Hmm.
happened, just look into the time. It happened during 9th July, 9:30. It means yesterday, I think, right? Yesterday, it created a touch here, and it went by today morning. It went 2,500 points.
Hmm.
That's why Bitcoin is giving lot of crores to people who learn this and working on it. See, 500 points is your risk, 2,500 is your reward, and you will get it in dollars, not in rupees. correct?
$2,500.
So so if you would have buy and risk for $500, you will get $2,500. So you lose $500 or you'll get $2,500.
Mm-hmm.
So just observe for few days. Okay. If you have any questions, this is all I learned, nothing else. So follow this and we'll see progress. Okay. If you like it,
Mm.
you continue. If you don't like it, you can give up on this. Look for something, any other stocks. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How you feel? You learned something or
Mm. It is
good?
good actually,
Good, huh?
because I was knowing what, like little basics of the scandals, how it was going on.
Hmm.
So it was easy for me to understand.
Very good. I straightforward. I started with candle.
Mm.
I did not talk about basics of candle and all. I know
Mm.
that those and all waste of time, because what we want is we want to earn money, right?
Mm.
What you will do with the candle? Nothing, right? How to earn money? Let's learn that. Why to waste money? Time of why to waste time? Learning. We are not going to write exam, or we are
Well,
not going to. How you need
yeah,
to make money is, where is my high, where is my low, where to enter, where to exit. That's all we wanted to know.
that's all.
That we need to practice. Simple. If you go
Mm.
and learn from anyone, people will cheat you. Lot of people cheat you. I know so many people lost money. So don't get into these false alarms. People, there are 100 out of 100 people waiting to take your money. Don't trust anyone, including me. If someone says that give money, I'll make double, all bullshit. Okay, don't trust anyone in this market field. All are cheaters. All are cheaters. They wanted to take your money and invest. So don't trust anyone. You only learn. If you lose money, also fine. You learn by yourself. Okay, over the period, one day you will come to know how to take trades. You will get expertise on your learning. So
Mm.
don't follow any videos. All waste. Everyone will cheat. All videos are false on in India. I learned this from one Pakistani guy. Yeah, as an Indian, I should not say that I learned from Pakistan guy, but fine. Whoever has talent, learn from them. Correct?
Mm.
Okay. This in India, YouTubers, everyone, they wanted to earn money through streaming views and all. Nobody will teach you the real trading. What we learned today now, that is the wave theory. Elite wave
Mm.
theory. If you forget also, you can come back and see in this chart also. It is called elite elite wave theory 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is proven and uh, accepted by 100 out of 100 professions, saying that elite theory is the best one. Okay, market goes wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This is what happens in any time frame. Okay, just
Mm.
learn that. It will take time. It is not easy to understand. It might be very simple when I teach you, but when you look into live market, it is not that easy. Okay, you'll get
Mm.
afraid that this is falling, it might fall so much, $500, who will lose, am I mad or what, like that. You'll get 100 out of 100 questions psychologically. To make that very strong, you should practice. This is my high, this is my low. Breaking this below only, I should be afraid. Breaking this above only, I should afraid. Okay, can I go and enter now? No. If you go and enter now, your stop loss, look at your stop loss, still here your stop loss. That is the
Mm.
stupidity we'll have. So don't enter like this. So those rules and all, you need to practice.
Okay.
Mindset. Okay, now how to take trades. I suggest do trade in Bitcoin or gold. Okay, it's a free. It is called paper trading. For example, I want to buy now, so click on the buy in this trading view platform itself. Buy. Okay, unfortunately, this is paper trading only. No, unfortunately my um, SL is big.
Mm.
Okay, my target is small. Okay, usually nobody should trade like this. For example, I lose 27 $30,000, $30,000, and I'll gain only $8,000. This is like reversal risk reward. You should not do this. It should be, you should have buy here. If you lose here,
Mm.
go to smaller time frame and find out where is your higher and low. Then you should take a trade. That's all. You should not take trade, wherever you want. Can I enter? Go and enter now. You lose money. It may come and hit this. No, we never knows.
Hmm.
That's it, bro. What I wanted to tell you. So use this TradingView platform. This is what it is called. This is free paper trading. The money what I bought now. So already I'm in $300 loss. $300 is huge, right? Nothing
Hmm.
moved here. You see, not much movement, but still, you lost $300. If
No.
it hits, you'll hit the 600. So the movement is very fast in Bitcoin and
Hmm.
gold. I think, yeah, we'll stop here.
Hmm.
Otherwise, the learning will be too much lengthy.